Y'all, I look like the little thing from Mario Kart, the little mushroom, the black mushroom. I'm just kidding. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RealityWhit, and I'm back. Why do I look so orange? And I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, we're doing a sponsored video featuring ZRQ Beauty Hair, and they're a company based on Amazon. They also have an Instagram page, and I'll link that below, and I'll also put it on the screen. And they sent me over 6 to 7 packs of crochet hair, and I'm just going to be showing you guys my friend installing it in my hair. So thanks again to ZRQ Hair, or ZQR Hair, sorry, for sending me over this hair. And make sure you guys keep watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. My camera died. Yes, I'm back. My camera died. We'll be switching over soon, but she's just parting the back of my hair. I know I look crazy.
My hair,
but it's okay. She's just parting it, and then she's gonna like crochet them individually after. And yeah.
if it was lost in the house, and we still never.
I don't think it was lost in the house because I went outside with it.
We went outside with him.
Yes.
We outside.
Outside in a
Stay
couple
tuned.
of weeks.
Couple weeks. We outside. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Stay
The
tuned.
vlog coming soon.
Stay tuned.
Don't play.
Yeah.
She's inside because she's whack.
Yep. She went. I'm outside, y'all. Y'all gotta see the face. We outside.
Yeah, show them the hair.
We outside.
I mean, we'll include a clip. I just slayed her.
Yeah,
right quick,
we'll
slay by
include a
way.
little some,
Make
you know.
sure you go check me out on my Instagram. I'm not up there yet, but you know, we getting there. We getting
Yeah,
there.
she getting there, y'all.
Getting there.
You know, everybody that's sliding up my Snapchat, my Instagram, I
Yes,
put
she
the
look-
Instagram there so y'all
can know. Her Instagram will be on the screen. Make sure you go follow her. She's an
Yep.
upcoming model. Go follow her. I don't know what she does. But
Oh wow! Oh wow! I do hair too.
barely.
barely.
But she don't got
She
an
doesn't wanna
Instagram.
take no
I'll put her
clients.
Instagram. I'll put her Instagram.
He doesn't want to take no clients.
Yeah.
I do. I take
But she does braids, dreads. She did her dreads. Show them your dreads.
Wagwan, my youth.
I mean, they're looking a little.
What about
Come
my
close.
youth?
Come closer.
She does it nice though. To be honest,
It looks like it's her hair though. Look
Yeah.
at this.
she looks like
It's
she's
looking a
real-
little messy, but like, imagine she
Jamaican.
did this by herself, y'all. Book her. She does all your
But
dreads.
she does my hair sometimes good.
sometimes good. Excuse me.
I know she's gonna say that. It'd be okay though. It'd be okay.
It'd be okay. Bye.
She did her hair better. She's yanking my scalp out.
She said- she does. This matter what moving.
Keep your head well. Keep your head well. Let's get into this skin though.
Whitney.
Don't play about my ASAP Rocky braids. Don't play.
Whitney.
So guys, I'm back. She just finished braiding all of my hair. This is what it's looking like. As I stated, I didn't have up with my ASAP Rocky braids. Don't play. But anyway, she's about to start doing the crochet process. We're not sure if we're gonna finish tonight because technically she's trying to figure out the process still. I might need to buy hair to wrap around this so I can hide the roots. But we finna see. I should get dreads. If I did dreads,
I think. Yeah, it would look good with you.
Nah, let's see.
Nah, it will.
If I had the updos. My head is huge.
That's why it would look good.
My head is huge.
Cause I feel like dreads sometimes les plus à la vraiment qui gagne. Like, parce qu'il faut que plus de plus.
But anyways, guys, we'll be back. We'll be back.
You have a scissor.
Hey guys. Wow, I just took my spin. Hey guys, I'm back. I just finished my hair. This is what it's looking like. I just put it in a quick little bun because I'm about to go to work and it was too much on me. But overall, the hair is really nice. I love the texture. It's really lightweight. It's great for crochet. As you know, we did the individual crochets, so it's pretty much undetectable. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys want to purchase this hair, the link will be down below. Once again, the company is ZRQ Beauty Hair on Amazon. And if you purchase this hair, let me know how you like it. Let me know if you use it, if you like crochet or whatever. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Gosh, she was being a little... Book her. Book me. She got all your crochets done or whatever.